What's up, guys? Welcome back to Traders Lounge. In this video, we're going to be going over the trades that I took for the third week of May. Like I said, I'm doing my weekly recap for you guys. So let's get into it. First things first, I do have a Discord. Okay, so a couple things I want to show you guys before we get into my weekly recap. Show you guys my wins and my losses. So let's see. Let me share my screen here. Share my desktop. Okay, so this is my server, you guys. It's under Traders Lounge. The link is going to be in the description box, okay? So as you can see over here, we have the welcome, we have the announcements. In the announcements is where I will be posting the videos that I have. So the last video I put up to on my channel was Trade Less, Profit More. And this was going the breakdown of the trades that I took last week, okay? And then before that, I posted in here 77 pips caught on GBP USD. Give you guys the breakdown of that. Have my live streams here. We'll go over that in a second. It's like our main chat right here. So I've been posting in here since November of last year, 2021. So just showing you guys, I have some videos up here you guys can check out. We have our stock lounge, we have the forex lounge, we have our crypto lounge. So in the forex lounge, it's all like forex talk where you guys can post your charts in here. Crypto, we have some crypto talk, and then gold lounge for anybody who trades the commodities. We have trade ideas where you guys can post your trade ideas. I'm gonna give you guys some feedback on that. Loss review, you guys can post in your losses. We can talk about that with you guys. And trade of the day. So just want to let us, show us what your trades are, whether it be a win or a loss, something that you're proud of. So I have a few screenshots in here. You can see I had a sale here. When was this? This was beginning of this year. On a trade that I took, put in a trade review here. We have some FAQ, some trading questions. We have the VIP lounge for a voice chat, and then some modern admin stuff. Okay, but this is my server on Discord, Traders Lounge. Like I said, link is going to be in the description box. Okay. Also, you guys check out my YouTube channel. I mean, you're already here on YouTube, but I just want to let you guys know that we do have some other videos you guys can check out. Like I said, we have the 77 pips caught. I also do breakdowns of small informational videos for you guys, like technical trader explains. I explain what a trading channel is for you guys. I also did one with trend lines. Over here, technical trader explains trend lines, and then I did technical trader explains support and resistance. So if you guys need help with some technicals, I can help you guys out with that, post videos about that. Also, some other videos up here are some of my live trading videos, and a lot of them have a really, really good gems in them of me talking to you guys and explaining some things that are going on in the market that you guys can also check out. Some of them are pretty long, but I feel like the longer the video, if it has quality in it, the better. So I know one of them is a 44-minute video. I think I had, down here, weekly trade recap from October 16th, 2021. This video is 44 minutes, but there's a lot of good gems in there too. We have the stock market live trading right here. I just break down what I was thinking about on certain stocks on there. Also over here, another informational video for you guys, a lesson here, easy market structure for beginners. This is me going over market structure for you guys right here, okay? So this is our YouTube channel. If you guys, I have other videos out, so if you guys want to check it out, go ahead. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. So I do have an Instagram page where I do post about wealth building and earnings for the week, and then some trades that I might be in, and just some mindset for you guys, and just having a wealth mindset. I'm really pushing that because Black wealth does matter, and it doesn't even have to be Black wealth, just wealth in general for all races and all generations is very, very important. And I really believe in that. So that's what I have going on with my Instagram page. And then we also have a Twitch page here. I will be going live Sunday on Twitch at 8 p.m. The lounge live market breakdown. I'm going to be doing the Asian session. We're going to be talking about the market for the week, breaking it down for the week, any swing trades that we may see, any day trades you could possibly take during that Asian session. Okay. So I just wanted to break that down for you guys. Then you know where you can find me on the web, okay? So let's get right into it. Now, this trade I took, let me bring, I think I have my All right, so I have my trading journal here. All right, yeah, this is my trading journal. So I took a total of 5 trades this week. We're gonna start here. I think this is a good place to start instead of just jumping straight into the screenshot. So I took 5 trades this week. And one thing I incorporated into my trading journal, and I'll tell you why. I put time in here. I only put the time for my last trade that I took for the week, and I didn't put it here, but I'll explain that. So I traded EJ, GJ, and GU. Those are my 3 pairs that I trade. I always trade. It used to be just GJ and GU, but I added EJ, and I really like EJ, so I added her in there. I took 3 buys, 2 sells. So we're gonna go through, and I blocked out some of this stuff. Just you know, I feel like it's my personal information that I don't want to share with you guys yet. So we're gonna go into the first trade of the week. This one is on GJ. This trade is not up here. This, I believe I took this on Sunday night. This was going to be that's what it is. It's on my day trades. It's on my swing trades, but I don't think I blocked anything out for that. So this was on GJ. This was on my swing account. I only took 1 trade on my swing account this week. So I think I have 2 screenshots up here. Yeah, 2 screenshots. So this was on the 2 hour, and this is the 15 minutes. So these are my confluences, which I was deciding I need to put these up here so you guys can see what my reasoning was as to why I had gotten to the trade. So my number 1 confluence was that price is at a resistance, which you can clearly see right here. Price is at a resistance area. Even if you go further to the left, you can see it. Evening star pattern was forming, prices at golden zone and a tweezer top. So this was my evening star pattern. So like I said, I think it was the last video I talked about it in my weekly recap, where you see price come up, you have like this doji, and then you have another candle taking out this one, the doji, right? And then with this candle, this was my entry candle. So I entered at the candle wick flip. Once price broke right here in this area, price came down a little bit right here. I was like, okay, good. You know, I'm in the trade. I have my stop loss above this resistance area right here. This was like the tweezer top also too. Like depends the evening star and like a tweezer top right here. So once I seen price like come up a little bit, I closed partial for a loss, and then I was eventually stopped out of the trade. Now I'm down on the 15-minute. It's a bull flag, and I saw the bull flag, which is right here. I was looking at price on 2 hour and 4 hour. If I was looking at 15-minute, I would have caught the reversal for 50 pips. I saw the bull flag on the lower time frame, but stuck with my plan and confluenced it. So I did see this bull flag, but I had my confluences lined up as to my reasoning why I thought price was going to continue down. So even though I did see the bull flag, I still stuck with my plan. I didn't change it at all. So you can see here, price came down a little bit, and then it shot right up. Once price, like I said, if I was on the 15-minute, I would have been able to catch this 50 pips. So I was looking for 50 pips right here, and I would have caught it if I was looking at the 15-minute. But like I said, I was looking at it for like a swing position, like, you know, probably close it out on like Monday or Tuesday. But once price made like this support right here, you know, price came up, I could have took the buy here and rode it up to here. I would have closed out the sale and entered in for the buy and caught the buy. So yeah, that I lost on this trade. Yeah, it's not up here, it's on my swing. Maybe I can show you guys. Stop sharing for a second. There we go. So this was it. So it's the sale. I had my entry where my initial TP was going to be at, and I got where I got stopped at, where I closed it at. I took a loss. This was in my swing position. So now we're going to head over to, so this is on EJ. So this was on Monday that I took this trade. I took a buy. Took a win, like I said, textbook right here, C price, came up, overall direction of prices in an uptrend, which is why I was able to take this trade, which I had the confidence to take this trade. Entry at candle wick flip right here. Stop loss was below this area. I got in right here. Price came up, close half at 10 pips, stop loss to break even. And yeah, TP smashed on this one. So this was a W, as you can see, candle wick flip. I trade the same way all the time, so nothing changes with that one. Then next trade here, this is on Tuesday, another EJ trade that we got going. Price comes up. See, this is a 15-minute. Price came up here, broke above. Stop loss is right below here. Close half at 10 pips right here. Stop loss at break even, and boom. Then we're gonna go move this over here. Let's see. So this is on Wednesday. I took a loss. So this trade right here made me want to start thinking about what time am I placing my trades. So with this trade, my emotions got involved in this one because I had not been. I did take a trade Monday, Tuesday, but for some reason I was itching to take a trade. I wanted to take a trade, and I was missing a lot. That's what's going on that day. I was missing a lot of opportunities that was happening in the market. I had missed a few trades just because I had other things going on in my household. People needed me to do things for them, and I just wasn't able to be fully focused on the markets. And I was missing trades. I was looking at them, and I'm just completely just missing my entries. I was seeing like the wick, the flip, and everything, and I was just missing it. So with this one, GJ had already dropped about 100 pips when it got down to this point. And I saw that and I noticed that. And I knew that at some point price was going to reverse. It was going to create and find support somewhere because I know that GJ likes to make 150 pip moves. I know that it'll go in one direction for 150 pips, and then it'll create and find resistance or support, and then it'll go in the opposite direction. So at this point here, price had already dropped 100 pips. I was kind of skeptical with taking this trade, but like I said, I was a little bit frustrated with the fact that I had missed 3 other trades previously. And like I said, my emotions got involved and I wanted to take a trade. I wanted to be a part of the action. I guess you could say I was having a FOMO. This is a different kind of FOMO, but at the end of the day, I was still having FOMO. So price broke here. I entered here. I think I had this zone area up a little bit higher. I think I changed it out. So I took this trade twice and I lost twice on it the same way. And that was kind of frustrating for me. So like you can see here, I entered at the candle wick flip. It came down a little bit. It came up, it stopped me out. And then price came back down. I entered again. Price came back up again, stopped me out. And then it came down and proceeded to hit my 10 pip TP. And then the next candle came back up and it started to trend back up in the up direction. It was frustrating. It was frustrating for me to see that, but I told myself that I just have to look at it, just take it as a lesson, understand, like I realized what time it was, and it was close to it was between 10 and 11, which normally I don't take a trade. I'm not usually I catch my trades before 10 o'clock, which is why I was frustrated because I had missed 3 moves. Like majority of my moves are between 7 and 10. Those are like my trading where I find most of my trades. But this trade happened between 10 and 11. That's usually when like the market starts to die down a little bit. I also, like I said, I knew Price had just dropped 100 pips. I knew it was going to find support somewhere, but I was confident in the setup, and it did actually end up going my way. It's just the price was fluctuating in this area here. So I got stopped out twice on this. So price continues in direction after being stopped out. It was frustrating, but I live to trade another day. So that's why, and then I added here time, and I put my time in. So I'm gonna head over to the next trade here. This one I put my confluences on. This trade I took on Thursday. As you can see here, this was our runner for the week that we caught. So this trade covered my losses for this trade that I took twice. And I was pretty happy about that. So as you can see, like price at resistance right here, you can see price was coming into an up direction as it came down and then it came back up. So price broke above this zone area. Entry at candle wick flip, same thing every time. Stop loss is right below here. Close half at 10 pips, close partial at resistance. That's what this line is here for, because there was resistance over to the left. And then I had like my full TP was going to be up here. With this one, I was moving my trailing stop here. There's two ways that I move my trailing stop. Either, so once this candle opened, so I have my stop loss at break even. Okay, and when this candle opened, once this candle opened and it broke above this wick up top here, that's when I move my trailing stop. Another way that I move my trailing stop is if this candle were to close, then I would move my trailing stop here. But also I'm thinking, okay, if price broke above this wick here, it really should not come back down to this bottom wick here and then shoot back up. If it's going to come back down to this bottom wick here, then it's going to continue in the other direction. That does not happen all the time. Okay, it's probability. That situation is not going to happen all the time. But in this case, it worked as to where I did not need to wait until this candle closed in order for me to move my trailing stop. Here, price broke above here. That's when I moved my trailing stop up, but price did come back down, stop me out, and then it did eventually go up to TP. So it's very it's a gray area with trading. You just have to understand, okay, it's not always going to work one way all the time, 100%. So you just have to just play it out and see like what the market is doing. Okay, like what are my confluences? Does your confluences match up with the way that you want to trade? And that's such. So this one, we took a win on this one. Like I said, price did end up coming up to TP. So these are my confluences. Price breaks above resistance, which is right here. So this is resistance. Price broke above. Heat wave was in favor. So GBP was at like probably close to a 6 or a 7, maybe even a 5, I want to say. But the USD was at a 0. So I was like, okay, yeah, like we're definitely going up. And at the time, EJ and GJ also had moves going up, but what made me take the trade on GBP USD was because USD was at a 0 and GBP was really high. JPY was probably at like maybe it was battling with GBP on the heat wave. So that's why I didn't want to take JPY trade. I'll go with the USD because GBP is overpowering the dollar right now. So that's what made me take this trade and end up being profitable on it. So those are the trades that I took this week. How many trades did I take? I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 trades. Took 5 trades. Today is Friday. I did not take a trade today. I decided to sit out of the market today. Not force anything, only because I did have this runner yesterday. So I said, you know what, I'll just chill out today. I won't take a trade today. And you really have to know when to do that. It's, you don't have to trade every single day. Especially if you hit your goal or if you didn't hit your goal. Like I didn't hit my goal this week, but that's okay because I feel like I had a good week and I really didn't need to like overextend myself to try to hit my goals. Either I hit it or I don't. I come back and I trade the next week. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I look at it. But that is going to conclude this video, you guys. If you have any questions for me about my trades that I'm taking, any comments, concerns, or anything you're just wondering about, don't be afraid to leave a comment, drop a comment down. And I will respond. I see everything. So don't forget, you guys, we're doing a live market breakdown Sunday on Twitch. If I can get everything to set up on the stream. I know I was having issues before, but we're going to figure it out for Sunday. So Sunday night is going to be Asian session, and we're going to be talking about what I'm seeing in the market for the week. Like I said, follow us on Instagram, traderslounge.us. And then don't forget, I have other videos right now that are out on my YouTube channel if you guys want to check it out. I also have how to reset after a losing streak, which is like trading psychology for you guys. You want to check that out if you are going through a losing streak, just showing you like what I do to reset after a losing streak and how to get my mind right. A lot of mindful tips in there. So, and also, like I said, I will leave the link to the Discord in the description box below. All right, you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.